Hello, today I'm going to show you how to add in flour into your ingredients and fold it in. It's really important to know how to fold in flour as it really contributes to a softer, really light and airy cake. So this is what you need to do. You'll need your ingredients, a sifter, your flour and some digital weighing scales. I have to say these two are so important. You need to weigh your flour correctly and sift it in so no lumps get into the mixture. Okay, so what you first need to do is put your ingredients onto your weighing scale. Just switch it on and make sure it's on the correct metric. Grab your sieve, grab your flour and sieve it in. Have a look at your weighing scale as you add in your flour. So what you carefully want to do is fold it in. Don't mix it in, just carefully fold it in like so. You see, it's like almost like a swaying folding motion. You want to do this until it's just about incorporated. So the reason why this is so important is it makes your cakes really nice, soft and not dense. Overmixing the flour activates its gluten and make it really tough. And there you have it. That's how to fold in your flour. If you want to have a look at my free resources, which are really good for people who are starting out baking, go have a look in the description box. It has lots of tips and tricks, easy recipes which don't cost a lot, so please do have a look.